Welcome to the Microsoft Dynamics tutorial. We're going to learn how to log in to the program and customize some of its features. First of all, let's go ahead and launch Microsoft Internet Explorer, and you'll go ahead and type the address in the address bar, and it's going to be https://redc.crm.dynamics.com. And once you hit enter, it's going to take you, assuming that you're not currently logged in, it's going to take you to the login page for Dynamics. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and use a BizDevRep's login so it can be consistent with what you're going to see. And what you'll do is you'll go ahead and type in your password, and please note that using your personal live account is not going to work with Dynamics. It's only going to recognize your work one, the one that's typically at redcgroup.com. If you have issues logging in, please explore that first. So let's go ahead and sign in. And now it takes you to your welcome page, or your workplace. So now, in this case, I had it default to the leads. Now you can default where you would like to start off by going under Tools and then Options. And here you will see that there's a number of options. And the workplace, so if you want to set it to sales or just to your general workplace, then next time you log on, it'll only show that. You can obviously play around with different things. Typically, you're most likely going to want to do sales or workplace. And if you notice too, if you go to sales, you can also make the default tab your opportunities, accounts, or contacts. So let's go ahead and have it jump to accounts next time, and then you'll go ahead and hit the OK button. Now you'll notice that next time you log on, it'll automatically drop you off in the accounts section. Now the other important thing about this options dialog here is that it's going to give you the activities, the default view that you want, month, day, or week. The formats are pretty much standardized, and again, your general preferences. So you could have records per page as much as 250 or as little as 25, depending on what your connection is like, and then you can set your time zone as well. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. Now, if you're logging on through Microsoft Outlook, it's a little bit different. Obviously, it has to be installed. Now, I'm going to show you Outlook here, and if you'll notice up in the corner here, it says Synchronize, Connecting, Updating the Interface and everything, and then it gives me this little toolbar here. And what that does is then it shows that I can access the CRM. So now if I would like to go ahead and access the CRM inside of Outlook, I simply go to Folder View. Some of you might be in this Mail View here, which it's also accessible in, but I'm going to go to Folder View, and then you just expand Dynamics, or you can click on the Dynamics place here, and then it gives you the same opportunity. So you can go to Workplace or Sales, which then gives you the leads, accounts, or contacts. Now, another thing to note here is that your options are up here in the CRM menu, and this gives you a little bit more options with the Outlook synchronization. So go ahead and go to CRM and then Options, and then here you can select which forms to use. Now, I don't have anything checked off, but in synchronization is where you want to check things off. So you can synchronize with Microsoft Outlook your contacts, your tasks, phone calls, letters, faxes, and appointments, and that will automatically synchronize with Microsoft Outlook. and be available to you inside of Outlook. Workplace, the same situation going on here. I'm going to deselect marketing. And if you notice here, allow Microsoft Dynamics to send email using CRM for Outlook, and check incoming. So you want to have both of these checked off. And then address book, you want to match only against contacts synchronized to Dynamics CRM, or match all contacts in CRM. So if you want everybody's contacts that's inside the CRM, you click on this. But this is very system intensive, and you're not going to want to have everybody's in there. And over here you want to have under match only items I own. And if you notice that the address book is updated every 24 hours, or you can type in a value every 2 hours perhaps, and that's why maybe sometimes it's not readily accessible. So then you just go ahead and hit OK, and now those new settings will take effect.